Hello. This video is going to be going over how to create not only the cover sheets, but also the general pack list packets for Galaxy packing. So we have entered all of our numbers into our Galaxy document workbook. We have everything filled out. We performed our audit. Everything is looking good. We are ready to move on to cover sheets. So if you come over here to cover sheets, you're going to see these are all pre-prepared as I went over in my tour. Now, one thing that I've added since then is I've added a date box here. All of these titles are now smart titles, which means that as we change these items, they will change over in here. So for this week, we are creating the 0605 through 06011. So I am just going to type those dates directly into these boxes. Now, it's very important that you watch out here for two things: Friday to Sunday. We do not pack on Saturday, so there is no Saturday date here. So you're just going to make sure that you skip over that and go to the 10th. And then let me retype that one, make sure I include 0610, and then we'll go down here to 0611. Now, you have to type these out and you can't just simply drag down because number one, you're missing the Saturday gap. The other thing to be aware of here is that these are formatted as text strings and not as dates or numbers. And that's because when these boxes are formatted as dates in Excel, it really struggles to pull these into the smart titles. So it's easier if you just type it out. And I did this specifically so that you don't have to go in and manually double click and edit each box. You can simply type over here and it will update everything for you. So once you've entered your dates, in order to print any one of these, all you have to do is start with the title and drag all the way down until you've selected the entire cover sheet, and then go to File, Print, Print PDF, and then make sure it's saying just print selection and fit sheet on one page. These are going to be in portrait orientations because they're going to go on top of a portrait style pull out of Caterese. And then all you have to do is hit print and then save this somewhere on your S drive. Now, I normally save this in such a way, so you're going to save it on the Expo pack list. There's a link to this in the training guide. We're going to go to June here. Now, I have already created these pack lists. We are looking backwards, but if I were to be creating this one, what I would be doing here is I would type 0605 cover, and I would save it as that. And it's going to look like at the end what you see here. We have the cover and then we have the pack list pulled out of Caterese, and we're going to combine those into a full pack list. So when you're creating these, just give the date and the cover, and that will help us in making sure that it's sorted correctly later on when we're combining things to make the pack lists. All right, so we're going to go over how to do the pulls out of Caterese in the next video.